We're here now in Indiana. The park here and many trucks. The trucks here also this thing. This is a 7-Eleven store and gasoline station. Mag-sum ako. Here there's Turkey Richard Gaston, the number 6679, born December 1, 1969, and served in the line of duty at the Indiana Toll Road, St. Joseph County, March 4, 1999. So he was killed in the line of duty on the Indiana Toll Road.